Din, 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 din,
Guarda,
din,
by now nós da best
din,
a new
din, din, din.
I was looking at the plan, so I don't know.
Hey, 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 hey.
What is up, guys? No stay back. OnBrand, basang saka ba? It's been a while since we did this. It's been a while. My number to Joim.
Natin, Shell.
Meu nome é Rodina.
Anto man mabisa no sta OnBrand. This is the first episode of Volume 1, kuno sta basi. No dun na a little, catch-up episode. What we went up to, what we're gonna do, kinos plans lang ta, anto, how we're doing in this, Panasonic. So, let's start with one of the girls,
One
Okay.
of the girls?
Work
Girls. See, one of the girls?
Sí.
Tu grande bira wa no.
This we're girls.
Ah.
Are we? Anyways.
Hey, it's 2021. Anyway, see.
Okay. What I've been up to? Well, it's been a while. Go no sa Catchup for the last video, but you can click over there somewhere. What was on my walk? But
It's this way. For sure.
to the left.
Right.
Right now, I'm doing my final year, doing my study, so that's exciting. Mita busy in ang kunosa, studying trend research and concept creation. Do I need to provide an explanation? Maybe. If you want to know, let me know in the comments or DM me.
Of nos ta added in post, wa teki.
But I'm doing my last year at Waukee. It's exciting, nerve-wracking, overwhelming, and I find myself wishing I had more time in a day, probably to actually fulfill everything I need to do. Não como se script ainda. I don't know by the time you watch this, se não começar yet. Pero mi scriptsy.
Pieces.
My thesis dame, who I'm researching about right now with the sexual shame. With honor of time, the very sensitive and interesting at the same time, in a good way. The matter of me doing it, and I think for now it's a time focus dame school, because I do actually wanna wrap it up. I wanna Spotify wrap it up. This thing, but so see, thank you. Because I've been studying since I was 4. I've been in this bitch since I was 4. Preschool, peuterschool, I was doing my damn thing there. Collated, excelling, basis, half of video, and now this, and I'm done. It's been a good time. This
How's it though?
Send help.
No,
Pero kung mabisa we've all done it exactly like that. And it's not great. It's really, but it's
okay. But see, that's where I'm at right now. How I'm actually wanting to finish school. Me no pabisa what Kiko life's gonna look like after, because I don't know either. In this year of me wrapping up me study, tama ta ko me question him, okay, kimi kase okay, because I'm not gonna continue my studies for now, at least. And that I look with mira for myself. So no masters, no new study. There's a transition, I guess, student to working class. Kind of feels money a joke and kind of like a scam.
The ghetto.
It feels like the ghetto. It feels like a scam. But sometimes I feel like we've been so used to of program to having some kind of set routine. Go, but to buy basis, to say what to buy this, and then what to buy this, and then what to buy this, and after that you just work till you retire, and
Till you die.
till you die to survive, and yeah.
Well, guys, this
Sounds
has been really fun so
depressing.
far.
Hey.
Yeah.
So I think if face the money transition from school to what do I want to do, and not a one set thing yet, but what is my life gonna look like, and to not just career wise, because that's not the most important thing tampoco, but what is my life gonna look like aside from being a student, being someone that works. What do I wanna accomplish? That's why part me health, me creative things, because that's not something I've been practicing home because of time, but also because it's not really a priority right now. I think I get to write and do things that I like. They study so far like a thesis is a choice. It's going to a choice. But hopefully afterwards, or me acaba me te of mas después, me te mas tempo kung mabisa mas hindi man okay, me não tenho alcance mas, me não tenho vac mas, pero kung focus on my thesis, I can also do something else. Pero for now, I really just wanna graduate. So I say that really what I've been up to school, trying to balance it all, trying to be there for myself and be there for my friends and be there for my family, and yeah, be at peace and live life and eat good.
Vooral de laatste part, ja.
Period.
Rujaiska, what have you been up to?
I've been...
Bisa oyente nang di botra merdia.
Please don't sue us.
I ain't got money like that. It's fine. It's fine.
moeilijk.
They don't though. Let's be honest.
Do they not? I think they do.
think so. I don't think so.
I think
Si nós por atrás, di botra merdia kinang trust me, they do. Shout out to Keanu.
Okay, so what I've been up to a lot actually. Mida kind of thing is a situation ko Angel, pero a few months like prior, so mida letterlijk acabando. I'm in my last couple of months. Escribiendo mi scriptie kaba, which is on cultural identity, and specifically ABC cultural identity, and the content such as OnBrand, of all the other creators. Shout out to all of y'all that influence us con us negotiate our cultural identity. And so it's been fun.
Fantastic subject, by the way. I think it's really interesting.
Thank you. I'm trying my best. I am so me to basic to focus on that, which is very, very interesting. But so honestly, I never expected for us as ABC Eilandan to have a lot of academic research done on us, of even our language, and to me the finding there is, and to kind of give me that pride, okay, what I'm doing is good, but so I'm tackling a nos cultural identity from another perspective, kuta hopi mas noble, hopi mas moderno, and so I'm glad to be able to do that for us, and so that's on my thesis, finishing in like I guess in 2-3 months, and it's scary as hell. So it's scary, but so yeah, like Angela Bisa, it's about like getting into the work life, the ghetto, anto yeah, basta kung kultur cos ko sabihin say like anxiety and basta not being able to figure everything
brokenness.
out, see brokenness.
Call it what it is.
Anto basta wag mite keren no sta underestimate effect of being a student vooral in Holanda but in bepaalde benefits and dat wordt overlook is nang.
Yes.
Bijvoorbeeld OV, gratis OV.
That's the real thing. That's the real thing.
Because it be expensive out here.
Yeah.
Dus wanneer het typisch is, nee, ik hoef dat echt wanneer, damn. Wanneer verzekering dan used to be like, being from Bonaire doet cover verzekering. Zie we not tra. And now my switch, because ik sa tra, and I have to pay it myself. And the other me senki, tabi
Pocket to feel it.
Yep.
Definitely.
Yeah. So
Pocket,
it's really,
all of it.
Yep. So that's that. Next to that, I'm working on something that I am very, very excited. I'm going to share a lot of details, pero I can say that it's my first very legit thing. I'm working with a couple of people. I'm from the islands and to in collaboration with an institution in Rotterdam. And it's very exciting. This is last part of the production. I'm very excited to show what I'm working on because this is my thing. Mm-hmm. It's not like part of anyone else, just me. Obviously kunang, pero you know what I mean. You get what I mean. So me hope excited for what Samira is say. And next to that I'm working on actually becoming a freelancer. The story connected. Somehow connected. Pero cada ting ng eigen kung sa eigen buta focus. Because sometimes it get hoppy overwhelming. Ku life erbij tambe and everything that come to say. So, yeah, I'm just out here trying to balance everything. And, yeah, that's on me, dus.
Yes. Okay.
All right.
Well,
Joe.
Well, let me começar a dizer. Tudo que eu não gosto tanang fears, I'm to be banned. That's my life. So
that's exactly why we're fearing.
Yes.
No, pero yeah, no, I'm acaba school like 2-3 months ago. Your boy got his master's degree. That's what they said on the paper, at least. I don't really know, but that's what they said. So, highly educated, jobless. So that's that's the way right now.
Hopefully, when you're watching it, not anymore.
If not, send help.
Hopefully, after nasa ka drop yung episode aqui, nastura clara. So, this is the ghetto.
Exactly. Pero so welcome in looking for a job. Tudo ko na nabi sa right, but exactly how it feels. Although I feel like I'm well equipped to deal. Like I feel like I'm dealing with it properly. It's weird because like but go to as dan to man different sollicitatiegesprek en ook type gesprek en essentially basa visa yin ko pero na to sali fidje and it's kind of weird being rejected 5 times a week at this point, but it's fine. It's also one of those things coming about the scene okay or me haya ko kung sa haya ta sa kita pa mi. So that's also the feeling committing at the moment. So looking for a job. But other than that, me trying to see the hope dialed in over on the creative side of things, to doing things that I want. None of it is bringing me money, but I mean, what I am doing the otra manera.
Listen, a lot of artists are jobless and homeless.
See, but not me. I'm not trying to do that. If I'm in the homeless in job, that's exactly what I'm doing. The dying
I mean, but that was about time efficient.
No, vast.
Yeah,
no, trust.
Definitely.
So we're working on a lot of music and stuff like that. Hopefully, we'll see that soon, I think. But we're working on things I'm excited about. And I think you guys are gonna like it. And if you don't like it, then it is what it is, bro. Like, I also have to do something with this time, so. Pero, that's how I'm doing, trying to get my skin right. Every episode with mira, kita malo, but hopefully the next time you see it, it's better. Pero, as in working out, I'm trying, although the government, kasi the gym na singkor, screw you off of that one. But yeah, I'm also at home, so it's fine. Pero, mitas depende ng ko tasali trabaho 5 na doon by gym. Like I think that's a real problem. Like basta at least as 6 or like sabi ko man like basta no apin sa entire working class community. Yeah. I don't think that's fair. Pero no politics on this podcast. The trust. Pero eko isi
a couple of things. Then volume 1 balaga sako we're gonna talk politics. So what with the chicken?
Pero right now, no. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I also don't know what's gonna happen in volume 1, so that's a great segue. Kiko to may pasa in volume 1, guys.
Yes.
We don't know.
Let me ask you a question, Nikki. Kiko saan de verwacht? Kiko saan kimira in volume 1? No boss nang, pero boss nang. There's still a few things coming up, pero overall, may kamen kito saan expectations.
Yes.
The volume 1.
Volume 0. Not saying volume 0 because it is like a pilot season for us, getting to know what it is and what we're doing, and because we're going to talk about this. We say volume 0 that very explorative thing, nos own way with solo episodes. So for example, the sang huntu, and then you could see nos make videos this person say that make not associated to the podcast concept of it all, but we did very fun things. Money nos workout video, could I know. nos tating tambe turnos song associations ng all the versions, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4.
The solo episodes were
Sí,
also nice.
the solo episodes is will be fun, pero those like gonna come back to a podcast of it all. Tambe, or roots, see?
The brand.
And then, so that's what it's called, OnBrand podcast. And those like hong being back say and combine it again. Cool. If we did on 8 times, because we do still find those very enjoyable to make.
Definitely.
As I say, no, that might go away. But we did wanna hinka back. Tiki speed ding a podcast episode sang. What do we expect from volume 1? For me, it's just that we continue to make great stuff that we like. Of course, it's important ko boss lang tami ko siento it relatable to y'all. Pero pakunos tami is still something ko we keep on nose enjoy first and foremost, and things that we talk about or things that we do and we discuss on the show, also the things that mean something to us.
Yeah.
And I think it will look different. Nos sa ay na kita a cantidad the episodes ko na sa writing of kita may pasa, we don't know yet. So it's just as much a surprise to us than it is for y'all.
Oh wait. Nós temos uma ideia, nós temos um plan, nós temos um outline. We're not out here just wilding.
No.
Nós temos uma ideia, but also pandemic, and there more things happening in the background que nós temos que figure out. Pero, see, that's all I want to say about that.
See, this is that's that for me. No, see, if you really interesting, really fun things lined up for sure. And the Zoe is like an open requested word of open invitation. Open invitation for anyone that wants to collaborate with us. Past volume 1. Go ahead and slide in the CM of send us a message, because we do have some people in mind who we of course want to work with. But it would be nice to hear from new people that make like work with us for this season / volume.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
So that's me.
Miss Rudina.
Me. From a producer's perspective, better production. Gewoon.
Facts.
Gewoon basta ko kunos. No man volume 1 ku kada video ting ko by malo.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So, see, this is
Audio.
Cara vete outra câmera. Outra câmera tem outra câmera. Cara vete outro audio. Cara vete outro set. That's also a real thing. At this point, it's part of the show, but it's funny.
No, but I'm pretty sure was aan proberen gewoon goede production. Through volume 1 mis volume 0 mis subi.
It's a back.
You know? Nos latinos
trying to be consistent.
Conjunctureel.
Hey, stay woke. The ebbs and flows of things. That's
Hey. Shout out también aan die economie.
I got you, sis. I got you.
See, that's I just want to see wanneer consistency bij Banadi, the production. Come on, see what besides everything, I think.
Yeah.
Right.
Cool, yeah. Gewoon things that we enjoy and that.
Right. Mita eens ko basta nang sabi sa. What I do like the idea ko nos getting support from our peers, and I say me man to the otro ABC creatives now. Mane lugar que Miss Eugenie Bone, shout out. She's helped us I don't know how many times, but it's no time that is involved into things I don't know how many times. Shout out to you, Tera. What's up? We be out here in each other's DMs. So see, like those support each other. I really like that. Kev, King Mas, Petite Wanderer tambe. Getting invited to stuff tambe. I feel like the cool. No paso event is the cool, but gewoon I feel like okay, no stop on our way doing something that people actually like.
Yeah.
Like people know that's not what it's about. It's about nos make something with people that like and to nos get to touch bases with these kind of people and to nos peers, which is something that I would like to see more in volume 1. So definitely production. So I feel like on the second part, the volume 0, mas involved in production, and I would like to see us be consistent in that sense. But yeah, so we go to the extent that we can. But so also, what's something man? Broke student. So also we're out here doing our best, and we hopefully sit down to come through ding to look in Stasi. See, but that's what I want to see in volume 1. I want to see us, be consistent in production wise, pero tama content and to stay making things that we actually enjoy making. And to mi que mira tama kung nos mi que mira to some extent kung nos no private life, mi que man private creative things to fuel ding on brand. I kind of see what happens. I kind of want to see people like basta kung those elements na di e persona no kuno sta to kind of interact with each other. I feel like that would be very cool.
it uiteindelijk give a meaning of een brand mes meaning extra layer. Because I mean, what's on brand without us being on brand ourselves?
What's on brand in general? Because we still haven't said.
We still haven't explained.
And we're not gonna. It's fine.
I mean, no. Let y'all figure it out.
But that's the thing. On brand, it's self-explanatory, but it's also an open norm. This opo vili in manera boke kiko tabo brand, kiko on brand pabo. And to that's what that is.
Also, everyone that comes here también te queda add algo
to what on brand means.
So, yeah.
Plus, as we go on, meaning the on brand of manera going to express on brand también to different. Like, no, that's not going to be in production, the workout videos. We didn't know we were going to do that.
No, it just happened.
Out here.
It happened.
So, yeah.
I think even kung nos miss as on brand, not doing something, but nos apart to doing something.
Yeah.
And si nos come on brand, not doing something, miss nos really look forward and that excited for me that nos other fellow creatives kutam ito di ABC pero also nos mes mira otro hasi algo.
Right.
Like we get excited seeing to the events nang to the ideas nang to the like really creative stuff ko otro na hasi tam nos tam just as excited and to want to support them as it would have been sinang taport the on brand of as if we're friends. So we don't even particularly know these people pero support they the faculty like we see them doing their shit then that's really good. I'm really happy for them and it's not on competition in any way tampoco. That like just feels like I wanna like work together but nos
junto pa by the lanti and uiteindelijk is that to me the most important nos turta mesmo basta I'm not gonna say nos get inspired by some of the creators out there and the same me te quiere ta mesmo coisa panan também. That's the good thing. Nós estamos just doing it as a part of a competition que pode ser melhor. I know ela copiar me que we're just being adults and doing what we can with the things that we have and gewoon give credit where credit's due.
Yeah, definitely. And I hope to say tamit bani pa otro na tamit ko don't be afraid pa reach out to other people that you see doing things, so maybe they want to work with you. Of course, even nos miss eigenlijk, kung mi naman which nos to get into them, if portable get an idea, kung it's like maybe I can contact them. Pero don't be afraid, don't be shy to do that. Because pupas over a boundary of a feeling di ba ni amisa que seem familiar. The you still order what to create some type of rapport of even relationship with him. So ba make a first step ko man was aquí ko nami wake na kim porta po yude ko algo porta po yuda ami after that they would like to just meet and talk like creative ideas.
I think that's how we met.
That's
how we met.
So I think
and then not be afraid to me pa gewoon if you like something about someone gewoon slide in DM. Tell them.
Facts. That's
gewoon just thing. That. No pa collab. Nada. Gewoon be yo, you're doing great. That's it. They will genuinely appreciate it.
Ik weet about that. Last time, my best experience ko yende. Ito based on music and to mabise algo. And a few days later, like a week later, my car ela post it and it was something man. It helps. It helps the cause. Plus time, don't be afraid time about doing a constructive criticism. That's also a real thing. Like. We're all out here trying to be our best, the best version of ourselves as people, but as creatives. The most professional lifestyle with this. Si you do algo, but just a comment, but hey, maybe try this. So it's always manera proper and no be out here as many bosamio, pero ito ayuda. Anyone that is worth the time and when actually trying to put in the work but become better, lote inde advice and to me na corazon and basta. Actually put it into work. So say tamita one thing to be sa. Hey, tell me, bro. Help me, please. Help me. Like I said, help me. Pero sí.
No, pero ik like definitely true. So, nós me se quita foi a mentalidade van bota crítica outro because you mean bad. And some people have bad intentions. I'm not gonna take that one away. Pero si você tem good intention and você genuinely mira que gente que tem potencial and não está reaching that yet and você sabe que está fazendo malo, tell them. It's fine. And se não tu met, then you did what you thought was best. And claro.
The only thing you have in your hand is your intention. Bono ting controlo kung maneira ko outra tuma lo que babisa of non-perception. The only thing you have is your intention. And if you make sure that that's pure all the time, you're good, bruv.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I think unko mas tambe, and not just marana na creative things, so not just people could the artists of could label them as creatives, pero women in STEM, men tambe first. Pero ting group ko yaman ko da sinisi.
I got you.
Pero mani shout out to Valley ko tisha ng ko natin like group di STEM. This kita STEM para I don't remember. Pero
I don't know what.
Tiene ko ta ding ko ICT and then they made this a field time and so hopi and the ABC ko ta sa medicina, so why not tambe ting grupo tambe PC, so it doesn't just like creative things, it goes beyond a sector A. And I think for us to be better and do better, we have to build communities and build support, which is what I'm interested in. This is the segue into that tambe ko mi future and pa ko mi thesis tambe. That's the whole point of it. Ko I find that more and more creating some kind of community or system that shows that hey, we're in this shit, we're in this bitch together. It's important. So timya they have to feel like they have to go through things alone, and not necessarily that. It doesn't have to be that way. And I think just as much as individualism is important, community is also very important.
Yeah.
And vooral pa nos, no solamente na Holanda, pero rond mundo, paso timiyata sintimani, because we live here, we only know of here. Nos po help out na community. Kuta yung nakarsaw tayo, so ting hobby creators nakarsaw tayo, na bonero i Aruba, kung not to get as much opportunities as we get here.
Right.
This, I think, is a being able to promote that, being able to talk about it, being able to meet with these people, is very important.
Yeah.
It's that kind of where my work is leading to, maybe. But it's a time that like what I would want to do. I think master's best thing in life.
Yeah, I mean. I feel like sempre nos to follow each other for some tambe. Like right now, what I'm doing right now is to connect back to what you just explained. And to mita gewoon mira ku kalabia mita haya opportunities ku ta bring me back to a party ku mi ke build a community of gewoon ku panos aqui na Holanda, pero obviously on the islands as well. But nos wordt mas uni as gewoon people, but it's obviously a layer of being a creative and being added on that. And like you said, we need that. But so timbia in verdad, I think each island have seen timan in ansota by going through something, and it's good to have that support when okay, of knowing juist differences between us. And it's interesting to have people kuta kunota per se biba of bini di kami na babini. But these type of conversations.
Think on to feel like in this kind of so resulting history to it, pero think this kind of competition ko nosta mami yung kubos nang of 9 and nandi nang takiko kami na like girl, it's 2021. Are we still on this?
Yeah.
Like this has nothing to do with us. Are we literally still on this? And not like and not a yuda ekaso, not a yuda yene.
It wasn't.
Yeah, and keep the Ghana on style. Kinosto is the Ghana na dori keeping something who like had some kind of meaning. I think so. In the past, dori histories, dori nila Santiago.
Which was not us, by the way.
It was not us.
We didn't do that.
Put on us.
Pero I mean, I feel like honestly, one of the episodes that we have to have at some point are talking about what you just mentioned. But so there's more to it, and though did something that I already knew, being someone who mita di Bonaire, mita di Corsao, I have like me family, immediate family ko alam ta Naruba, I have this is my life. Ando ko otro mita ri para ko otro nota aware of that. Tabuta kumane, we have to talk about this at some point. And the awaki kumi thesis and the kumi work that I'm doing, I'm actually being involved in that. And the feeling, am I meant to do this also? Yeah. But I definitely think that we should talk about it at some point on this podcast.
Just expect that in volume 1. That's what I can say.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. No, interesting, but then there was some perspectives. I don't know what we were talking about, honestly. I think there was some about this is interesting, but what was the question? I don't really know. But it's all guys. Yeah.
Is that what about
I don't know.
Kiko life that Kiko now, like what's next?
Kiko life
life thing.
Life thing.
Sunday something, okay? The African proverb. But
damn, you botched it. Let's see. It's fine. Run it back. No. It's fine.
But for you now, kita what's next? Kita something people for money. Contact you, engage with you on.
You know, I want to let my work do the talking. So I'm not gonna say anything. You will see. And let's just say it's the start of my creative expression. It's not limited to what it is in that specific project, but it's the start of my creative expression, and there'll be more things to come from it. And if you know one thing about me, I get into stuff. So when it's gonna go off, and that's a fact. So so that's what I have to say about that. But something I've been working on a while now. Ups and downs, because I'm learning a lot. Oh, this is how this goes, and though it's literally just on me, in the sense that I'm push it, but I'm make sure gotta be my own, my own critic to the point but it's fine. It's been fun, and there's something I've been talking about for so much at some tempo to the point when okay, go, so it's time now to do that. So also idea buza tempo like tempo to ripe right now, because right now I'm in the limbo as life. I'm trying to find a job, but I'm also trying to do this. So if there's no other time than now, there's no better time than now. So like I said, I'm gonna let it do the work, do the talking, until maybe you can see it again in volume 1. Coming in also by breakdown what the hell he's been doing. Pero yeah, that's me.
I have a question.
What do you
Are
do?
you gonna reveal what type of work? So
No.
Anything about Bisa, you didn't mention that.
Exactly, that's what I said. The work
Okay,
is gonna
okay,
see.
that's it. Okay, I get
See.
it.
See, have you been see? See, no, come good. That's me though. But see.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So that was a little bit about us and what we're doing. What's next for us? It's been a minute. I hope I miss us. Anything else works, guys?
Yeah, I have an announcement. It's not
alright.
not like the best thing, pero
It's not bad. Either.
it's not bad.
It
It is what it is. Pero I'm to step out of the spotlight for some time. This in the volume 1 was under Mira Hobby Masdi Angel Dream. I'm gonna first take some time for myself and deal with what life has been throwing at me. Pero then tamelo mi by focus more on the production side. This milota we must behind the scenes. I'm there, pero behind the camera.
One less pretty face, guys. Y'all gonna have to do with me. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is.
I mean, I would be like probably in those episodes.
No, for sure.
For sure. Mas, you never know. You never know. Pero
she's always here if you really think about it.
I'm always here. Exactly.
She's a witch, but it's fine.
Why did you have to reveal that on the podcast?
Because the people have to know.
Kiko?
I believe.
Maybe
She's a witch. She's always here.
It's giving Wings Club.
It's giving. That's so Raven.
Yes.
I don't even know if that's a beat, but it would fit. See?
I mean,
Yeah.
pero see this. Yeah.
And nothing nada going on.
No.
So this not pabasang bay
No, nabasaan na ba yung kumisa?
stories ko ay
Conspiracy
God.
theories.
Conspiracy
Oh
theories.
my God, I'm
No,
not
we're
going
all
to, but
good,
wait,
and-
no.
No.
It's none
Nah,
of
B.
that.
No.
No.
And actually very grateful to y'all because being very supportive and to seeing what life has been
Life.
throwing
Yeah.
at all of us actually. Kung nasa very supportive of each other and understanding. So I mean there's no better team that I would want to do like
Okay,
this.
wrap it up now. wait.
So me, that would be grateful to have y'all in my life and to having to do this with song.
Likewise, sis.
It's been
a hell of a ride.
Right. Yep.
Right.
And probably by the time you see this, no sé si aya in this bitch. Again.
Yes. I mean, it's
This
today.
one. This
It's
one.
literally
It's
today.
today.
It's
It's
today.
today.
Oh wow, it's really today.
It's really today.
Actually.
Like, by the time ko sa mire, no, si un pari luna, ikaw pari si Mang, pero,
It don't
I mean,
matter.
Pero still, bisa nos pa bien.
Acaba. Dale un shot de nos number and you know the vibes. So.
Yes.
Hennessy or
Hey,
something.
hey. Relax. I don't know about all that.
Andy.
Andy, okay.
420, you know? Whatever.
Anyway,
Any
so I
plans?
think nakanos sa ito po. Thank you Rudina pa po announcement. She's always gonna be here.
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
if you don't see her, she's still here.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. And to yeah, no excited for volume 1. Hope you guys are excited too. And to there's some cool things coming. And to the konos sa bisa, take that to heart, but also don't take us too serious. it's both. At least kita bira. Pero thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Maybe you're listening also. Maybe we figured out how to get on Spotify. So maybe I don't know, dog. But
Maybe
we're doing our best.
Yeah.
Basta sa kaba, follow nos, like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that good stuff. Nos personals of I don't
Tuna's
know.
info in the
See.
description box below.
Right.
Of the side of a screen somewhere so you can just follow
Enough.
us.
See. Yeah, thank you for watching. And to nos tumirabo in whatever we drop next. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
All right.
Bye guys.